Hello friends, I hope you are doing extremely well. This is my first video on YouTube and need your blessing to take this channel to great extent. This is my bike and yesterday I thought to take it for servicing, wherein the mechanic has advised me to change the clutch plate of the bike, but after thorough inspection he found that the bearing of the engine is damaged. So this video is all about informing you about the best and the cheap shop to do your engine repair work. Please hit that like button if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe. So just three of this fellow had taken out the engine successfully from a bike and now they are doing some cleaning work. The engine spares have been taken out and after diagnosis these fellow have informed me that there is some issue with the bearing and they have extracted all the three bearings and now they will replace it with a new bearing. So friends, after servicing I took my bike to my home and as you can see this is the left side of the bike, very glossy and no oil is leaking, especially from the bottom of the engine. And this is the right side of the bike. You can see the work what the guys had did. And this is the engine chamber, nothing is leaking, very beautifully assembled, the engine spares, engine parts. As you can see the shop from inside, they have a huge variety of spares as well as they also keep engine oil with wide variety. As you can see they have Shell and Gulf as well as Castrol. His owner, the name is Mr. Thakur. They are the owner of the shop and as you can see a huge variety. You can definitely have a words with him. He can give you a discount if you tell him that you saw this video on YouTube and by looking the video you came here. He can definitely give you some kind of discount. So friends, this is the location of the shop from outside. I will give you details of the location in the description box below. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.